Nitro Nation is an online racing game with cutting-edge graphics and a highly advanced physics engine for the ultimate head-to-head driving experience. The game has reached over 50 million players globally and features more than 100 licensed cars. Nitro Nation has been integrated into HMS Core since April. The app sources target players from the more than 500 million users in Huawei's global installed user base. Players can log into the game using their Huawei IDs, and on average, Huawei ID players use the app 9.5% longer and spend 34 more euros each month. By integrating into Huawei in-app purchases, Nitro Nation has access to multiple payment channels such as credit or debit cards, phone accounts and Huawei points. Players can pick their preferred payment method to buy virtual modifications for their cars. In-app purchases also supports premium services at 3 different rates. 2 months after its integration into HMS Core, the app's order conversion in Europe increased by 26.5%. HMS Core helps Nitro Nation focus more on innovating its game